Good morning, class 3rd, chapter number 3, Eating Habits of Animals. Student, in previous lecture we have discussed what animals eat. So, based on the kinds of food they eat, because there are the different type of the animals, so they eat different animals eat different kinds of food and in different ways, and based on the kinds of food they eat, animals can be broadly classified into 5 groups. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture herbivores and carnivores. So what are the herbivores? Animals that eat only grass, plants, fruits and vegetables. Or in other hands, you can say that animals that eat only plant products are called herbivores. For example, cow, sheep, deer, giraffe, horse, squirrel, rabbit, etc. And a parrot also are herbivores, because a parrot eats fruits and nuts. And student, what are the carnivores? Animals that eat flesh or meat of the other animals. For example, tigers, crocodiles, lions, lizard, wolves, snakes. And if we talk about, there is a bird also, carnivorous bird. Yes student, eagle. And there is an insect also, dragonfly. It is a carnivorous insect. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture also predator and prey also. So, what is a predator? A carnivore that hunts and kills animals. For example, lion. Lion kills the deer. So, lion hunt and kills the animals for food. That's why it is a predator. And the animals that it hunted is called prey. For example, the rabbit is hunted by a lion, so that's why it is a prey. So, what is a predator? A carnivore that hunts and kills animals for food is called a predator, and the animal that is hunted is called prey. Some carnivores like wolves hunt in pack. If we talk about wolves, they hunt in packs, while others like cheetahs hunt alone. Okay students, now today we will discuss the next animals, omnivores. So, what are the omnivores, student? Animals that eat both plants and animals. On the other hand, you can say that animals eat plants product as well as animals product, flesh of the animals. These are the omnivores. You can take example of the omnivores. Bear and chimpanzee are the some example of the omnivores. Student, you can take another example of the omnivores. If we talk about, there are the monkey also, yes, rat also. These are the omnivores, and crow also is the example of the omnivore. Crow is an omnivore bird because they eat the plant product also. Crow can eat the chapati also, and this can also eat the flesh of the small animals like small rats and any other insect. Crow can eat. And you know, we are also omnivore, or human beings also omnivores, as they eat both plants product and meat. Okay students, so what are the omnivores? Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Bear, chimpanzee, and a crow is an omnivore bird. Human being also omnivores. So you can see bear also, chimpanzees also. monkey also student, crow also, rat also is an omnivore. And now student we will discuss scavengers. You know what are the scavengers? Yes student, the animals that feed on dead animals, dead and decaying animals. When the lion hunt the other animals, so after eating, when the lion eat the any small animals, so there is a left meat is eaten by the scavengers. So these animals feed on the dead animals are called scavengers. Hyena and vulture are the example of the scavengers. Hyena, it depend on the dead and decaying matter, and this vulture also. Have you seen vulture and hyena? So these are the scavengers student. Now student, decomposers we will discuss now. Decomposers, what are the decomposers? Organism that eat, yeah, we can say that break down dead and decaying plants and animals are called decomposers. So what are the decomposers? Organism that break down dead and decaying plants and animals are called decomposers. Bacteria, snail, fungi, mushroom also some example of the decomposers. So they depend on the dead and decaying plants. They decompose, they break down the dead and decaying plants and animals into simpler substances, and these simpler things it's then mixed into the soils and this get back into the plants. So they are they play both scavengers also and decomposers play a very important role in the cleaning the environment. If there is no scavengers and decomposers, so what will happen? These dead and decaying matter produce the foul smell, and so they produce the many diseases. So scavengers also and decomposers also play a very important role in clean the environment. Okay students, now there is some knowledge check also. This is first of all, which of the following animals is scavengers? Yes student, elephant, dog and vulture. Yes student, vulture. And are animals that eat only plants? Yes student, are animals that only plant product? Yes student, herbivore. Next, human beings are herbivore, omnivore, carnivore. Yes student, omnivore. So you do the this knowledge check also student. So I think you have understand, and today we have discussed the classification of the animals on the basis of food they eat: herbivore, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and decomposers. And in next lecture we will discuss how animals eat, because different animals eat the different types of the food and they have the special features, what type of the teeth they have. If we talk about the herbivore, what type of the teeth they have. If we talk about tiger, cheetahs, what type of the teeth they have. Squirrel also, rat also. So in next lecture we will discuss how animals eat. Okay students, take care, bye.